Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today, I'm going to teach you on how to use antivirus programs such as Avira. The antivirus programs is used to protect your computer against virus by identifying and removing any computer virus found in your memory and in your storage medium and in your incoming file. So the first thing you need to do is to click Avira and then click Smart Scan. After this, your computer will be safe from virus. But you need to do this frequently so that your computer is out from virus risk. So that's all for my video guys. Thank you for watching.